Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking into the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. My name is Chase, and today we're showing you the Cylinder Works standard bore kits for the Yamaha YZ250. If you have one of those bikes and it's time for you to replace more than just your piston, you want to put a new cylinder in there, or maybe you did have a catastrophic failure and you have no choice but to replace those components, Cylinder Works has got you covered. What's nice about these kits, and we'll show you everything that will come included with these, is that compared to OEM pricing, it's going to save you a lot of money. But Cylinder Works is known for their quality, so you're not sacrificing durability. You're just getting the same great quality at a lower price point. Also, be sure to check out our how-to videos. If you've never, changed the top end or a cylinder or anything like that on your bike, we have perfect how-to videos that show you step by step. We go through, we tell you what tools are needed, all the parts that are needed for the job, and we show you exactly how to do all that work. So not only do you save money on the components and the parts that you're buying, but you save a lot of money by not having to pay for labor to have that job done. So be sure to take advantage of those how-to videos that we do have available. All right, so let's talk about what comes included with the standard bore kit when you buy it. So remember, these standard bore kits are built to OEM specifications. So the performance that you had from your stock components, that's what you're getting with this kit. But you're gonna get your new cylinder. So like I said, they're known for their high quality components. So what's cool is that they have their NSC bore inside here, which is nickel silicone carbide, which has really good wear resistance. It also helps the oil flow. It helps with your rings to seat really well. So you get your cylinder, and then you're gonna have your Vertex piston that will also come included. So Vertex, just like Cylinder Works, super high quality components. In fact, Vertex makes pistons for a lot of OEM bikes, so you know the quality is really good. And something kind of unique about the Vertex pistons is that they have a unique skirt shape. And they have an anti-friction coating on there as well. So just to get the most performance possible. So you get your piston. Along with that, you're gonna get your wrist pin bearing, your clips, you're gonna get your rings, and you get a full gasket kit, and all your O-rings will also come included with that. So that is your standard bore kit. But on top of that, we also do sell separately. If you need a new cylinder head, you can pick one of these up. Again, same great quality. And we also have power valves. Now, a power valve isn't something that you might think of too often that needs to be replaced, but you just got to remember, when these things when your bike's running, your power valve is going up and down in the cylinder a lot. And so yes, those do wear out. So when you're doing a major overhaul like this, if you're replacing, the entire cylinder and your piston on your bike, do yourself a favor and go through and just change other components that are probably worn out as well that you might not think about, like your power valve. So again, this kit's awesome, comes with everything that you need. It's a great way to save some money. Refer to those how-to videos. Those are gonna really help you out and save you a lot of cash. If you do have questions or comments, we would love to get those answers, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab one of these, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They're machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, just enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you're shopping for. We also do have these cylinder kits available for a lot of 4-strokes, even ATVs and UTVs, so depending on what machine you have, there could be a cylinder kit for you. All orders over $75 are free, and if you like this video, you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest from Rocky Mountain, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that will always keep you up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.